The biggest issue that we had was doing the project and then having to go back and redo the project because something wasn't done, something was left out, something was forgotten, or something wasn't placed right. If we had CompanyCam, we would not have had that problem.
So before CompanyCam, pictures were always a challenge. We either didn't get our pictures taken or they'd end up on a hard drive that we never got downloaded to our computers.
For me, the biggest issue with the previous resource I used to have is the fact that we didn't have the ability to take pictures and be able to send reports or send pictures via the phone while you're on site. CompanyCam has a much added value to that. I can actually do something with the pictures instead of just having a picture.
It's in CompanyCam. It's all right there. I don't have to give them my flash drive. I don't have to download the pictures or make copies, or I don't have to do all that. It's all in one place.
CompanyCam has made it easier to find information because it literally is one central app. I don't have to be on site. I can have a technician at a customer's home and they're uploading stuff immediately. I can look at it if they run into a problem and help them out right then and there without physically having to drive to that customer's home.
With CompanyCam, I have the ability to check the project feed on my phone, which is very helpful. I can see where my guy's at, where the other project manager's at, and then I can use that information to better schedule my day.
I can get pings live with questions, with photos that I see right on my phone. I can answer within minutes and keep people moving forward.
We have a checklist that we have to go through just by checking certain things. CompanyCam actually helps me go back to see what I've missed. I can go back to it and be like, okay, I haven't taken a picture of this or that.
Once we started using CompanyCam, it very quickly was apparent that we were getting the pictures we were asking for, and we were able to send clients pictures immediately when we saw problems.
I love the fact that everything is date and time stamped. Each customer has their own file, so we know, hey, this is your house. We're not showing you just a picture of a furnace of somebody else's equipment. This is literally tied to you.
Whatever I have to go through, like the cleaning or maybe a servicing, I can actually show them what needs to be cleaned or what needs to be fixed. And it's documented where if they don't want to take care of it at that moment, I go back to it, I can ask about it, and then I can move forward with that project.
Especially in construction, you know that every minute you can save from taking pictures or doing documentation I can put into actual executing the job or producing quotes for your company, that's very beneficial, and CompanyCam will help you along every step of the way.